just in case the other one decides to give me problems, we got the backup. All right, so this is the freaking lashes, y'all. I'm so excited. So we got first impression going on over here. I didn't order many because I didn't want to overbuy and not work out, because this is a new launch. So I don't want to have too much inventory and it's like I'm stuck with all this inventory and nobody is buying my products. Not that I don't have faith in or what God can do. He can sell me out, but this is just the first launch, so I just want to test the waters. Okay, so I'm so excited. So I got custom boxes, y'all. I got custom boxes. Oh, look at all these, so freaking cute. They are so cute. Okay, so this is D10. I'm just gonna give y'all a sneak peek. I want to examine the packaging anyway. Package, y'all, the quality, like, you can, it's like 3D letters. Like, I don't know if y'all understand what I'm saying, but oh my gosh, the quality is giving. So these look so freaking bomb, y'all. OMG. The pull string here. I'm so excited. They're all D10. Okay, and then I also ordered custom whatchamacallits too. So hold on, let me make sure I got all my inventory, because you always have to double check that. So if you're ordering from vendors, make sure you always double check your inventory, because child, they will try you. I got so many freaking lashes. Okay, I gotta sort through them because I know I'm mixing them up, but all my inventory is like top tier quality packaging. I love this. Like, my girl really snapped. I love my vendor. Look at my freaking lash applicators. MG! Look at the freaking lash applicators, y'all. And I wish y'all could, like, or matter of fact, order it so you can see the quality of these freaking lash applicators. Really stamped on there, like, that's who that is. Like, that's Lash Station, like, by Ashley J. Like, stop playing with her. This is my very first time having, like, branded products with a lash line, because last time when I did my lash line, like I said in my other video, I didn't know much about branding. So this is my very first time ever doing something completely branded, and that's why I'm just so excited, because I just know it's gonna sell. I am so happy. I love it. Like, these are so bomb. I'm gonna count my lashes and make sure I got everything as well. Let me get my tripod so it's like better set up for you guys to see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna count all of my lashes and make sure I got everything. I ordered, this looked like more than 30 lashes to be honest, but I think I ordered, how many lashes did I order? I gotta make sure I gotta double check what I ordered, but I think I ordered 30. So we're gonna just count real quick. 1, 2, 3. Make sure we have all of the right lash styles. I ordered 10 of each. That's what I did, I believe. My models together. I'm just getting it all together. Okay. Perfect. We got everything. So we got 1, 2, 3. We got 40 lashes. Perfect. 30 of my applicators. So she didn't throw anything free, y'all. I just didn't expect it to look like this much. So this one looks like it doesn't have a logo on it, but we're gonna flip it around. Maybe they just flipped it the wrong way. Yeah, or maybe I did that. This is probably the one that I took out. Okay, 1, 2, 3. She gave me 2 free applicators, so that was very sweet of her. So excited, y'all. Like, I don't think y'all understand. Like, okay, I don't know how all of this fit in a little box. I love that she already packaged everything for me. But too, she like sent me updates. She sent me pictures. We went through the whole design process. Of course, I designed it. If y'all need any branding done, make sure you visit ashgraphics.com. The link will be in the description box below. But I'm just so happy with everything. I love my logo. Let me show y'all another style. What style did I show y'all already? I think I showed y'all D110. So this one is D117. I'm going to drop the names of each of them on Instagram. But oh, these are bomb. These are so bomb, y'all. Oh, yes. Yes, ma'am. As y'all can see, I'm more of a dramatic type girl who loves like dramatic lashes. I love a dramatic lash, so these were like right up my alley. I did get some natural ones for my natural girls, the girls who love the natural look. So hold on, let me just find those for y'all. Yeah, this is more so on the natural side. It's a little more natural. Gotta take my product pictures. Product pictures are supposed to be A1, y'all. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Y'all have to make sure y'all do some bomb product pictures or your stuff is not gonna sell. So I'm gonna do a thumbnail too. Low key, I think I'm gonna go in my bed, scatter around all my lashes, and then take a picture like that and use that as a thumbnail. That's gonna be awesome. Awesome blossom. Now I gotta get my little brother to do it for me. That's the tricky part. Okay. So I think my iPad should be in the picture. So the things I have to do. I have to do my thank you cards, but I'm trying to hold off till I get my photo shoot done. I have to do my thank you cards. I have to do my business cards. I have to order my poly mailers. I still have a lot to do, which is why I haven't dropped my launch date yet, because I want to make sure everything is perfect. I don't want to rush this brand. I want to put time, I want to put effort, I want to put my all into this brand. I don't want to just slap up a brand up there and tell y'all to buy it, and then y'all ain't gonna buy it because it's gonna look like I ain't put no effort into it. So I'm excited. Bye bye. Dude, and my lashes came in.
Dude, it's a perfect
my glasses
day.
are here. It is the perfect day. See? Okay, so what I need you to do, it's gonna be quick. I need you to get like a bird's eye view. So you think you can stand in this chair? And then like, I think I want it to look like. Alright, alright, so make sure it's like up, angle down where you can see all of the lashes. So you see everything?
You don't got storage.
Wait, let me delete some stuff. Maybe that'll work. Storage. Alright, let me see how it's looking. I look perfect.
Goody.
These are perfect. Thanks so much, Judy.
Yeah, dude.
Good evening. I got my glasses today, dude. Dude, wait, look. I didn't even show you my lashes. Do you see the freaking custom?
Doobie Lash Station?
Dude, but check this. Who's it by?
By Ashley J.
Dude. And then look. If we can pull this out,
Dude,
bro.
it's cool.
Is it giving luxury?
It's giving luxury. It's definitely giving luxury.
Is that
pick them up?
Feel that. Look how quality it is. Feel it.
Dude. Quality.
When
When
so I can be able to see.
and logos?
Yes, bruh. It's
How you
time to get
making
to
the
that
lashes?
shorty.
Do you make the lashes by yourself?
So I get a vendor, and then I sent them the logo that I designed, and they put it on the box. Feel it.
Dude.
Quality.
And it's like silver on the side.
Yeah. High five, baby. Good, baby. Excited. Shout out to my little brother. That was easier than I thought, because sometimes he's like, you gotta pay me to take your pictures. Da, 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 da. So he was real cool about it today, surprisingly. Then as y'all saw, bro, look at this squirrel. But then y'all saw I got a call, got my glasses. I got these glasses. I went to the eye doctor last week, and my brother got his like 4 days ago. So it's just like, I'm like, where's my glasses? So I'm excited to go pick those up. I'm about to go pick those up. I don't think I'm gonna add this to this vlog because this is already 18 minutes long. But I'm also going to show my mom how they came out. Like, I'm so excited, y'all. Like, I am so freaking excited. Like, get into it all the way. Quality, branding. You know, you gotta be branded. If you guys are interested in any branded services, make sure you guys go to ashgraphics.com. The link will be in the description box below, and make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Turn on the post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video, okay? And then I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!